Tere! Welcome to Nami-Nami kitchen. My name is Pille Peterso and I'm from Estonia. We're gonna make today a very popular Estonian dessert which is called Kirju Koer. Kirju Koer means spotted dog, colorful dog. It's a dessert made with biscuits, cookies, jelly cubes, butter, sugar and cocoa powder, and it's very common in all Estonian parties. So let's get started. Let's continue with the ingredients. First we need square plain biscuits or cookies, but you can use vanilla flavored ones or cocoa ones even. We need cold butter. We need jelly cubes, or called marmalade cubes in Estonian. We already have small cubes here, but you can also chop up bigger pieces. We have cocoa powder, plain cocoa powder, and then some sugar. If you use sweetened cocoa powder, you don't have to use the sugar, but we use plain one here. And as for equipment, we have a regular box grater for the butter, and a mixing bowl, and then a potato masher. That's all. First you have to chop up the cookies, or actually smash up the cookies. And you don't need terribly small cubes, but smaller pieces, some bigger pieces is okay. So I've crushed up all the cookies. Now we add the marmalade cubes, the cocoa powder, just a tablespoonful of sugar, and then give it a quick stir. And finally we need to add the grated butter. Now we've got here the cookies, the jelly cubes, cocoa powder, sugar and the grated butter, and now you just mix it until all combined. We now mix the cookies, marmalade cubes or jelly cubes, cocoa powder, butter and sugar, and it's all this beautifully brown mixture now. So now we just, I put it on a piece of parchment paper, and we just roll it into, kind of mold it into big fat sausage, I'd say. And you want to press it together, so otherwise it will be difficult to cut it up later. And you'll put it in the fridge for about an hour or a bit longer. Now our popular Estonian dessert called Kirju Koer or spotted dog is ready. I cut it into slices. And then you just put them on the plate. Oh, what's